Welcome to Next Pulse, your gateway to the future of AI, robotics, and the next evolution of technology. Subscribe now.
Imagine a world where technology connects us all, weaving invisible threads between people, places, and ideas. At the very heart of this world sits artificial intelligence, or AI, quietly powering the systems and devices we rely on every day. AI promises to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges, helping doctors cure diseases, assisting scientists in exploring the farthest reaches of space, and even making our daily lives more convenient and efficient. But with this incredible power comes a crucial question. Is AI truly our greatest helper, or does it hide dangers and risks that we haven't fully understood yet? Think of AI as a super tool. When used wisely, it can build wonders and improve lives. But in the wrong hands, it can create confusion, spread misinformation, or even lead to unfair outcomes. The real challenge isn't just about inventing smarter machines, it's about us, as humans, learning to become smarter, more responsible users and decision makers in a world shaped by AI. This isn't just a scene from a science fiction movie, it's our reality right now. The choices we make today about how we use and control AI will shape the world for generations to come. That's why we need to ask tough questions, carefully weigh the promises against the potential pitfalls, and prepare ourselves for the changes ahead. It's not about fearing the future or resisting change, but about being ready, informed, and proactive as technology evolves. The future of AI isn't just in the hands of scientists or tech experts, it's in all our hands, shaping our communities, our families, and our daily lives. So let's dive in together and explore what AI really means for each of us and how we can make the most of its potential. We'll celebrate the breakthroughs, confront the challenges, and discover how to make better, more informed decisions in this new era. The first step, get informed, stay curious, and keep asking questions. Let's get started on this journey together. Imagine a world where machines can learn, reason, and make decisions, almost as if they have a mind of their own. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is the reality of artificial intelligence, or AI, a term you've probably heard echoing everywhere. But what's really behind the buzz? At its heart, AI is about crafting computer systems that can pull off feats we once thought only humans could, like learning from experience, solving tricky problems, and making choices on the fly. Picture this: a computer that recognizes your face, understands your voice, or sorts through mountains of images, all without a human guiding its every move. AI learns, adapts, and solves problems, figuring things out on its own, just like a detective piecing together clues. But don't worry, this isn't about building conscious robots or machines that dream. Instead, it's about software that can spot hidden patterns, sift through oceans of information, and make lightning-fast predictions, faster than any human ever could. In fact, AI is already woven into the fabric of your daily life. Every time your phone's voice assistant answers a question, when Netflix suggests your next binge, or when your email filters out spam, AI is quietly working behind the scenes, making your world a little easier and a lot more personal. Most of the AI we meet today is called narrow AI. Think of it as a specialist, brilliant at one thing like mastering chess, picking out faces in a crowd, or sifting through endless data to find what matters most. The dream of general AI, machines as creative and adaptable as humans, with common sense and imagination, is still the stuff of science fiction. We're not there yet, but the quest is on, and researchers are pushing the boundaries every day. Here's the secret: AI isn't a single entity. It's a powerful tool that learns by devouring massive amounts of data, far more than any person could ever process. By uncovering patterns in all that data, AI can recommend the perfect playlist, translate languages in real time, or even help doctors spot diseases earlier and more accurately than ever before. It's not magic. It's the result of clever math, smart algorithms, and oceans of data working together. Quietly, AI is transforming everything around us, from the way we work to the way we play. The real twist? AI is shaping our world in ways you might not even notice, but its impact touches your life every single day. The more we understand how AI works, the wiser our choices become. We can use it to our advantage, make smarter decisions, and get ready for the future it's building. So, are you ready to unlock the mysteries of AI? Let's dive deeper and discover the challenges and opportunities that await in this fascinating world of artificial intelligence. With great power comes tough questions, especially when it comes to artificial intelligence. As AI becomes more powerful and more deeply woven into our daily lives, we're faced with challenges that go far beyond just technology. One of the biggest issues is fairness. AI systems learn from the data we provide, but if that data is biased or incomplete, the AI can end up making unfair or even harmful decisions. This isn't just a technical glitch, it can have real consequences for people's lives. For example, an AI trained on biased hiring data might favor one group over another, unintentionally reinforcing existing inequalities in the workplace or society. We must ensure AI is fair and just for everyone, regardless of background, age, or identity. Another major concern is jobs and the future of work. AI and automation can replace routine work, leading to job losses in some sectors and uncertainty for many workers. But technology also creates new opportunities and entire industries. We need to help people adapt, learn new skills, and transition into roles that didn't exist before. Lifelong learning and reskilling are more important than ever. Privacy is another huge challenge. AI runs on data, often our personal data collected from our devices, online activity, and even our voices and faces. How much are we willing to share, and who gets to decide what happens to our information? These are questions we all need to consider. We need strong rules and protections to keep our information safe and to make sure it's used responsibly. These aren't just technical problems, they're ethical, social, and even political ones that affect everyone. Solving them requires everyone's input: scientists, business leaders, policymakers, and everyday citizens like you. We need safeguards, smart regulations, and a culture of responsibility to guide how AI is developed and used. The ultimate goal is to make sure AI benefits everyone, not just a select few, and that its advantages are shared across society. The science behind AI is exciting and full of promise, but the impact on people and communities matters most. We have to get this right by working together, listening to each other, and making thoughtful choices. Now let's look at how AI is already making a difference in the real world. AI isn't just about challenges, it's transforming our lives for the better. In medicine, AI helps doctors analyze data and spot diseases early, leading to better treatments. It accelerates drug discovery and supports healthcare workers with powerful tools. In transportation, AI powers self-driving cars and optimizes traffic, making travel safer and more efficient. At home, smart devices use AI to save energy, answer questions, and make life more convenient. On farms, AI-powered drones monitor crops, helping farmers grow more with less impact on the environment. In factories, AI helps robots handle dangerous tasks, keeping people safe. AI even helps us explore space, analyzing data from telescopes and probes. It's a tool for creativity, problem-solving, and pushing boundaries. From health to home, AI is making a real difference. The possibilities are inspiring, but with new power comes new responsibility. Let's talk about deep fakes, AI-generated videos or audio that look and sound real but aren't. Deep fakes can be fun, like de-aging actors or bringing history to life in classrooms, but they can also be dangerous, spreading misinformation or damaging reputations. Imagine a fake video of a leader declaring war. Deepfakes can erode trust in what we see and hear. The solution? We need both technology to detect fakes and public education to spot them. Researchers are building AI tools to catch deepfakes, but we all need to be smarter media consumers. Question sources, look for confirmation, and be skeptical of shocking videos. As AI gets smarter, so must we. Deepfakes are a digital literacy challenge for everyone. Staying informed is our best defense. So, where do we go from here? The future of AI isn't about choosing between innovation and caution, it's about both. We must push boundaries, but also build AI that's ethical, transparent, and fair. That means diverse teams, open decision-making, and putting people first. Policymakers need smart rules that protect us without blocking progress. Educators must prepare students for an AI-powered world, teaching creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration. And all of us need to stay curious and engaged in the conversation. The story of AI is one we all help write. We can build a future where AI helps us live better, more creative lives. By embracing innovation and responsibility, we can unlock AI's promise. Let's work together to shape a future where technology serves humanity. Your voice matters. The choices we make now will echo for generations. Let's build that future. together. We've explored what AI is, its benefits, and the tough questions it raises. AI is already reshaping your world, from your phone to your doctor's office. It's a story of promise and responsibility, and you're part of it. How has AI touched your life? What excites or worries you about its future? Share your thoughts with friends and family. The more we talk, the better prepared we'll be. The future isn't something that happens to us. It's something we build. Stay curious, ask questions, and help shape our AI-enhanced world. So what's your AI story?
Thanks for watching. If you're excited about the future, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. The next pulse is